go. I'm James. Last name is Bags, if you didn't know. I know I just say it's Bags on the go, but it's James Bags on the go. And I'm on the go once again. I'm back from Chicago, and I'm about to hop in the Caprice and go to Heinz Cruise. Now, what I like about Heinz Cruise car show is the entire street that they cruise on, that you take your old school to, it can only be 25 years old. So if it's not at least 25 years old, it can't come down there. And Heinz Cruise is like it's like a park drive. One lane road each way, one lane. So it's two lanes, and it goes through this little park area. It's a great cruise, and it be packed. So I'm home fresh from being home. I only been home for about 45 minutes. Got myself together, and my boy Myron called me and said, today's Heinz Cruise. I said, perfect, because I'm about to hop in this car, because I didn't get a chance to drive it this weekend for the Chicago show. I didn't drive it. I just took it to the show on a trailer, drove it down to the, like literally right out of the hotel into the parking lot, and parked it for the entire day. And then I threw it on the trailer at the end of the show, hopped on the road in the morning, went home. So now let's go on the cruise in it, and scout for some cars too. Look for things that's for sale. If anyone that's watching me now is looking for a certain car that's for sale, well, looking for a certain car they want, and you want me to scout it, let me know. I'll do it for you. I keep my eye out for your car. All you gotta let me know is what you're looking for and the condition and your price range. So I don't waste my time, you don't waste yours, so forth and so on. So this bag's on the go. I'm about to do what I do best, play with my cars. Now, I was gonna take the wagon, but I would have to wash the wagon. Even though it's shiny, it still, to me, it's dirty. It just need a clean up the whole top of the car, wipe the windows. Well, it just need a car washed so it's fresh all the way. So instead, let's take this car anyway, because it's newer to me. It's newer to me. It's the newest project, and I'm finished. So let's take a cruise. Got that AC in here, so we're gonna ride with the windows up, enjoy ourselves. But what I would like to put in this car is the heat, oil, and cooling temperature. Probably put it down below. I'll be seeing guys put it somewhere. I could possibly hide it to a point where you don't see it, but it's here. But I'll figure it out, because I want everything to be clean. I don't want them tech Nerd look. You know, they be having it on the dash. I don't want all of that. Maybe if I could put it in this, that'll be cool. But yeah, so I just got to get that, so when I'm kicking the AC and I'm sitting in traffic, I want to be able to see the tempo of the motor rise and lower, or whatever it does. I just need to be able to keep my eyes on it at all times when you bumper to bumper just cruising. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and head down to Heinz Cruise. Let's go. Yo, what up though? I could get more footage of my day in my life if I had a camera person that'd just be with me and help me record. Because I'm telling you, when I'm driving and stuff like this and doing things, I don't have a camera in my hand to show y'all what I'm going through, you know. Now, if anybody out there that don't mind having a camera in their hand and want to do car stuff, anything, and you want to hold this camera and help me capture this footage, please let me know. Yeah, but I'm driving the 79 right now, you know, getting it down Telegraph. Yeah, I'm about to get back to it. Just have to put that out there, because you never know who's watching. They'll think about it, but they like, I wish he needed it. I do. Come on with it. You gotta be local too. Welcome to Heinz Park. Your car must be 25 years or older to come down here. driving the 79. So to give you a little backstory on Heinz, this cruise here, it haven't been, I think it was like 2 years. It hasn't been because the first it was COVID, then next it flooded, because when it rains down here, all the rain goes down here. This is lower than the ground level, so it drowns down here a lot. Like you could look down here if it rained a lot, and the podium and all the parks, all these parks would be flooded out. All the area for the people, all of this will have water all the way high. It'll be full with just water, so you wouldn't be able to come down here. And that happened a year, so people like to park on the grass, and they didn't get a chance, so cancel it because it's too wet down here. So yeah, so when you come down here, you will see people that end up turning around because they realize, oh snaps, this is the cruise day. So they end up turning around, so they check you in right here. It's a donation to get in. They're just, you know, whatever you want to give, and you get right on in. You see how it's nothing but old school cars in the line. Woodward is cool and all. If I can leave my testament, Woodward is cool, but imagine if Woodward only allowed for you to bring your old car on Woodward. Everyone else will have to stay on a road other than Woodward. That's it. There you go. Heinz Cruise, that's your ticket in. Put that right there on the dash so they can see it. And let's roll this window back up. It's getting pretty toasty. Hit that, well, the AC flowing so good. Like I keep it on super low, it'll have my arms freezing cold in no time. Then I keep this one right here, just right here on my arm, so I cruise. Woo, got that AC. Yeah, I love it when you got that AC in them old schools. See, these guys with these muscle cars, they ain't got no AC in there. They got the windows down, that thing huffing and puffing, breathing so much oil. They can't put no AC in that car. What we got? What we $5? I think I see. Remember I said $5? That's it. $5. It's not a donation. They want $5, but I look at it as a donation. Appreciate you letting me come on down. Nothing but old cars besides that new car right there. $70 what? It's a lot of differences that they have, and mine's is a 79.
Yeah, I think
so many differences. Headlight, tail light, the front, the whole front areas. Yours is larger. Yep. The nose. What else I can see?
Headlight buckets.
Headlight, yep. No slit in them. Just a straight one piece. The grill. the whole
side markers.
Side markers, yep, sure is. That piece right there.
Yep, tail marker. Reverse lights. You got the emblem in yours, and I think your whole bucket. Yeah, your whole bucket's different than mine. And
everything.
You got the clean bumper filler.
Yeah. That's crazy. 1 year later, they changed all of these parts.
Yep, mine's got the bumper guards.
Mm-hmm.
I got the you know.
Yeah, the trunk latch. Now I don't know if I have supposed to have it on this car. I don't know.
I have one, but it doesn't have a spring. If you need it, let me know.
Oh, okay.
I might have to take a look at it. I think it's pretty clean, but
okay.
I think it came off an 80s spot. It's dirty right now.
The same red.
Yo, yeah.
With the button seats.
Carmine red.
Yeah. Did you buy the brochure? Because it has your car in it.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
Okay, I'll go to Classic Industries and buy the brochure. It only costs like a couple of dollars. Right. Hey, stay on them, and then go in the winter.
I'm trying to throw some 26s on it, man.
You know how you gotta get them, right? You gotta get them when it's at a desperate moment. So when it's snowing real hard.
4 tires on it. So
Yeah.
Right
yeah.
7,500 is mine.
I hear you, man. Stay on it, dog.
Right.
Hey, you look good.
It's clean as hell, man. I like that.
Appreciate it, homie. That thing throw rocks. Alright, so I tried to wash all that Oklahoma dirt off of it, and brake dust. It ain't really coming off, but it's okay. We got something for that. One day these will be clean, so shiny again. Oh, they will be. Got it cleaned up. Got the Malibu first washed out of the garage. I've been just letting it get rained on, giving it a rain bath. But now it's washed. I pushed the wipers down too. The wipers were stuck up pretty high. Look at that dash. The dash ain't even cracked. I better throw something over that dash now. Unless that's a cover. I think that's the cover. I think it's the cover. We're gonna check it out. But yeah, got the Malibu washed up. I'm fired up. I'm ready to get going.